there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the most amazing destinations around the world. Today, I have a treat for you all. We're going to take a virtual trip to the stunning Ammouliani Island in Greece and discover its top 5 beaches. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together. So, stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my Nelstill YouTube channel. Top 5 beaches in Ammouliani Island. 1. Megali Ammos Beach. Our first beach on the list is none other than Megali Ammos Beach. As soon as you step foot on this sandy paradise, you'll be greeted by crystal clear turquoise waters and gentle waves. Whether you're a sun seeker, a water sports enthusiast, or a nature lover, Megali Ammos Beach has something for everyone. The soft sand beneath your toes, the refreshing sea breeze, and the stunning views in every direction make this beach an absolute must-visit. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some colorful fish while snorkeling in the vibrant underwater world. 2. 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗃𝗃 Beach. Next up, we have 𝗂𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 Beach. This hidden gem is tucked away on the southern coast of Ammouliani Island, surrounded by lush greenery and towering cliffs. What sets 𝗂𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 Beach apart is its unique rock formations, which create natural pools and provide a sense of tranquility. Imagine the warm sun on your skin as you dip your feet into the cool waters of these natural pools. Whether you prefer lounging on the rocks or exploring the tide pools teeming with marine life, 𝗂𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 Beach is a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. 3. Georgios Beach. Now let's head to Georgios Beach, a slice of heaven that combines untouched beauty with a lively atmosphere. As you approach this beach, you'll be captivated by its golden sands stretching for miles and the gentle waves inviting you for a swim. Gripos Beach. Our fourth beach on this incredible island is Gripos Beach. Nestled between rocky cliffs and lush green hills, Gripos Beach is a hidden oasis waiting to be explored. If you're seeking a peaceful escape away from the crowds, this is the ideal spot for you. As you walk along the shore, you'll notice the tranquility in the air and the serenity of the surroundings. The crystal clear waters gently lap the shore, inviting you for a swim in the calming embrace of nature. Gripos Beach is the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and connect with nature. 5. Banana Beach. Last, but certainly not least, we have Banana Beach. This lively and energetic beach is a favorite among both locals and tourists alike. The vibrant atmosphere, pulsating music, and beachside parties make Banana Beach the ultimate destination for those seeking a fun-filled day by the sea. From sunbathing on the golden sands to indulging in water sports adventures like jet skiing and banana boat rides, there's never a dull moment at Banana Beach. So grab your sunscreen and get ready for an unforgettable day of excitement and laughter. And there you have it, the top 5 beaches from Ammouliani Island in Greece. From the serene beauty of Megali Ammos Beach to the vibrant atmosphere of Banana Beach, this island has it all. So why wait? Start planning your trip to Ammouliani Island and immerse yourself in the beauty of these breathtaking beaches. Remember, life is too short to miss out on extraordinary experiences. So hit that subscribe button and join our travel community for more exciting destinations and travel tips. Until next time, happy travels.